Telangana is considering a tough deterrent, 10 to 15% salary cuts or official action against government employees found neglecting their aging parents. The move draws strength from an existing national law, the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act 2007, which makes it a legal duty now for children to care for their aging parents. The deducted amount would be transferred directly into the bank accounts of parents. Until now, the law allowed parents to approach tribunals for monthly maintenance, but now Telangana's proposal goes a step further, linking family responsibility to service conduct. If a government employee is found guilty of neglect, disciplinary action, including salary deductions, could follow. The law is expected to be labelled during the upcoming budget session. In fact, the law will be tabled during the upcoming budget session of the state legislature. Supporters say this has been overdue, with nuclear families now rising. Senior citizens increasingly complain of emotional neglect, abandonment, and financial distress. The state argues rights must come with responsibility. Critics, on the other hand, raising red flags, asking who really decides neglect? What about strained relationships, migration, medical costs, mutual consent? Could this become moral policing through payroll? Should caring for parents really remain a moral duty, or is it time for a law now to enforce this with penalties?
మీకు ఈ రోజు చదువు వచ్చి ఉద్యోగం వచ్చిన తర్వాత మీకు శ్రీమంతులైన తల్లిదండ్రులు పిల్లల్ని ఇస్తే పెళ్లి చేసుకొని అత్తగారే మాకు కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు తల్లిదండ్రుల పట్ల నిర్లక్ష్యం వహించే అవకాశం ఉంది. కాబట్టి మీరు ఎవరైనా తల్లిదండ్రుల పట్ల నిర్లక్ష్యం వహించి వాళ్ళకు జీవనాధారం లేకుండా చేస్తే మీ జీతాలలో 10 నుంచి 15% కోత విధించి సరాసరి ఆ తల్లిదండ్రుల ఖాతాలలో మీ ప్రతి నెల జీతము తల్లిదండ్రుల ఖాతాలకు పోయేటట్టు చట్టం తీసుకొస్తా అని చెప్పినా.
There is, as you've rightly pointed out, a law in place, the Senior Citizens Act, which was enacted in 2007. It basically says that every child that neglects their parent, a senior citizen, can file a petition or can file a complaint before a tribunal, and the tribunal takes a call. So as we speak, there is a law in place. What the Chief Minister has done is gone a step further, and he said that in case any government employees are neglecting their parents, and if it were to come to their notice, they will straight away deduct 10% or 15% of that salary amount and credit it to the account of the parents. Now, you were asking me how can the government intrude into somebody's private affairs? So, I mean, as I've just pointed out, this is not a private affair of an individual, because there is a law in place, and that particular law, by virtue of Section 32, gives ample powers to the state governments to make rules.